EMonti eEastern Cape kujusthwe abakwasidlodlo kanye nabombutho wamasosha ukuzoqinisekisa ukuthi izakhamuzi ebeziphume ukuyothenga utshwala zithobela umthetho wokuqhelelana. Ukuphuma kwelanga kubonwe izakhamuzi ebezihlabe ujenga emigqeni emide ngaphandle kwezitolo ezithengisa ukuthiba ukoma.
Ayothusanga le migca yotshwala kweliphondo. Kaloku abantu besele beqalile ukuzenzela utshwala babo besela nespirit kwezinyanga ezimbini bungasathengiswa. Kodwa eminye imixube ishiye kubhubha abantu abali-16 bambi bangeniswe ezibhedlele ngethuba siku-level 4. Kuthe kwakuthiwa namhlanje kuza kuthengiswa bathutsho kubani ibe nguphansi phezulu ke amagosa ezama ukunyanzelisa umthetho.
Noba ubuzithengela ijinja uhlala endlini ubuluhlobo lakho lozi container yabo nje uhlale nje because nesiyali yonke loo nto yabo so bakwazile uzibamba abantu ngolo hlobo labo yabo.
Kuvuliwe ke namhlanje ndizixelela uba u5 o'clock ubetha ndilapha eAlta so that lo mqalo uzobuyela kundalashe.
We've been trying to ensure that businesses are complying. Prior to this, we had visited over 263 liquor outlets to get them into shape. But today we have seen that some of them are not exactly complying with the regulations. Some of them are not coping with the influx, but the majority is. So we've had to come into stores like this one and ensure that we put our foot down.
Umasipala Buffalo City usexhaleni kuxa kungoku kaloku unkqenkqeza phambili ngoku ngamanani abo banale ntsholongwane iCovid-19. Ubani ke uyazibuza uba xa kunje namhlanje kwezintsuku zintathu zizayo kuza kube kunjani. Kwindaba zeSABC ndingubusisiwe Jemsana Mantashe ndiseMonti.
Kusenjalo eThekwini ukusukela ngehora lesi-6 ekseni abantu besebelinde ukuthenga isiphuzo sabo esiyintandokazi futhi bekulandelwa yonke imigomo ye-lockdown.
It's crazy sitting at home doing nothing. We need this alcohol, you know, to distress, to drain ourselves a little bit in sorrow. Yeah, we're just happy.
To be locked in and not to have a drink is like a double punishment.
Indawo zokudlela ezinengxenye ethengisa utshwala nazo izovunyelwa ukuba ithengise kepha akekho ovunyelwe ukuhlala. Labo ababhema usikliti bathemba ukuthi ibona abazolandela.
Minister Dlamini Zuma, now that booze is legal, please can cigarettes follow that path too? I'm tired of smoking these cheapies. I promise I won't share my soul.
Indawo zokucima ukoma emalokishini zona beyithule njengoba abanikazi bazo bebesayothenga utshwala abazobuthengisa. Kanti eNorthern Cape khona abanikazi beindawo zokucima ukoma bakhale ngamahora abavunyelwe ukuvula ngawo ngaphansi kwesigaba sesithathu njengoba bethi angeke bayenze inzuzo. Izakhamuzi zaseBuckley West zikhombise isineke zilinde ukuthola ithuba lokuthenga kanti yize abaningi bebethokozile abanye bathi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa akasihoxise isinqumo sakhe.
Yes, it was way too long for us because we've been thirsty for how long now, but we are happy that our president has opened this for us. You can see people are happy.
I don't think this was a good idea. Look now. Look at the queue. People are not being sanitized. You understand? I don't think this was a good idea.
NaseGoli bekuyiso leso njengoba abantu bevuke kungakaphumi nelanga beyoma emigqeni ukuze bathenge utshwala.